I'm Sunita Rodrigues and apron up for meals on the run. Today I'm going to do chicken in coconut milk. I have chicken breast here, which I'm going to cut up. Ginger garlic paste, some turmeric, cumin powder, some coriander powder, a little bit of salt, and a little bit of coconut milk. Simply blend that in, some vegetable oil. In go my chicken breast there. Need to brown it on one side and then turn it on the other. A nice green chili. Some cream, coconut milk. My dish is done. Now I'm going to make masala rice. We'll start with a little bit of oil, some mustard seeds, a red chili, curry leaves, split black gram, and some peanuts. And in goes my rice, a couple of green peas, some salt, and just a tweak of lime. Well, now my rice is ready. Green coriander on the top.